Today I'm going to be showing you how I upload every single one of my YouTube videos to maximize for views. Alright, so here is all of my videos that I will be uploading for this month, but I'm just going to choose this one right here. So the first thing that I do is I put my title in. So I'm going to go ahead and put my title in. The next thing that I am going to do is I'm going to go ahead and fill my description out. Now honestly, with that description, I just literally take it from my script. So for here, like the top 3 sources for YouTube. So I'm gonna just go ahead and copy and paste my script and take out the parts that's not needed. So I want to keep sort of like the 3 traffic sources in there and sort of like their definitions, but everything else I can remove. So I can remove this part. I can remove this part. Fix some of the spelling errors. And yeah, that is about it. So we filled out our description. The next thing I'm going to do is go ahead and put in my thumbnails. So YouTube actually gives you the ability to sort of like A/B test 3 different types of thumbnails, and I really recommend that you use this feature. Since it is sort of like a new feature, then that means YouTube is really trying to test it out to see like how it works for certain people's channels, and any new feature that any social media platform has, then you should definitely try to use it. So with this A/B feature, what I've noticed is actually that YouTube pushes my content out even more than it normally would, and I have way more impressions than, you know, my past videos in the months, and it's because I have this A/B feature and they're trying to test, okay, which one actually works. And in order to actually use that feature, and in order to actually test that out, they're going to have to send it out to more people, you know, to see if it works. So I have my 3 thumbnails. We have 1. So test and compare. And I just went ahead and I created 3 separate YouTube thumbnails for this video. And honestly, creating thumbnails to me is very fun, so I actually did that to like all the videos. I'm then going to go ahead and put it into an existing playlist. And if I don't have a playlist for that video, then I will create a new playlist. No, it's not made for kids. No, it does not require any of that. And then you're going to want to basically go through all of the, you know, checks and balances of YouTube. So allow that, allow that. Okay, now we're down to this tag section. So I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste my tags into there. So there are some of my tags. And basically for this area, you're going to want to try to put in as many tags as you can and really sort of like max out this area, just because it's telling YouTube where to push your content to. So you're definitely going to want to do your keyword research and then figure out which tags work best for your video. And I actually have another video on this in the playlist. I'll link it to this video. And then all of those are usually like kind of like pre-filled out. Next thing I do is I choose whether or not I want to earn money from the video through monetization. Now guys, I didn't create a video on this yet, so this is actually something new. I also have a video about that coming out soon. All right, okay, then I guess you answer these questions. So yeah, the next thing I do is add any cards in the video that's related. So actually, I don't think I need to put any cards in here because I didn't mention any videos in that, any other YouTube videos in that specific. I then go and add an end screen. So I literally usually do like the subscribe button and then the playlist that the video is in. And then YouTube does its checks. And then I set it as unlisted. Now, before, if you're not A/B testing your thumbnails, then I used to just set it as instant premiere. And then I would sort of like set it as a premiere and have it premiere every single Monday that I posted it. But now, since I do A/B testing on YouTube, I'm not able to do that anymore. So now I just do this. I just schedule it out and I keep it private until it's time to come out. So yeah, that is how I schedule my YouTube videos out to maximize for views. If you have any questions, comment them down below. And if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe because I post tips like this weekly.